Today I'm going to show you a new technique how you can make a lot of money online. If you are looking to make money online, this is the video to watch. This video is going to show you how you can make a lot of money every single day for basically doing something that's really fun. You don't need any skill for this, no experience is needed at all. So what you'll be doing is basically you'll be going onto websites, and what you don't like about the website, you just want to report it and say maybe you don't like the button, you don't like the colors they've used, you don't like the words they've used, and so on. Just giving your feedback, or maybe the things that you do like, you just want to report how nice the website looks, and they're actually going to pay you for your feedback. It's amazing, right? Well, it is. But just watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to show you how you are going to go about this. I don't want you to make a mess out of yourself, so I need you to watch this video all the way to the end. Don't skip any part. It's very important that you watch carefully. Now, this method is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to sign up. There are no registration fees or anything like that. And it's available worldwide, so you don't have an excuse to say that you're in a country where you cannot do this. Whether you're in Africa or in America or South America or Australia, Europe, Asia, you can get access to this. But before anything, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click the subscribe button, that red button. It's free. It's absolutely free to subscribe. So you don't need to say that, oh, I don't have money to subscribe. No, it's absolutely free to subscribe. Just click subscribe and it will help me a lot. And turn on all post notifications so that anytime I have a new video, you'll be notified. So you don't have to go around looking for my videos, but you just have a notification directly so that you can watch my videos immediately. So the website we're going to be looking at today is called Perpection. It's not perfection, it's Perpection. F-E-R-P-E-C-T-I-O-N. So as you can see over here, this is how the website looks like. And they deal with big companies like Parrot, Airbus, L'Oreal, Orange, Leroy Merlin, BNP Paribas, and many more. So basically what I've mentioned is that they are a platform where they're going to be providing you with missions that you need to do on certain websites, and they want you to provide feedback to them concerning the website that they've given you to look up. So basically, for example, let's take for example Amazon, or let's take for example this website over here, L'Oreal. L'Oreal will contact Perpection and say, give an assignment to a couple of people and let them come onto the L'Oreal website and just check out the website and let them tell us how they feel about the website. So what you will be doing is that you're going to go onto the website and you will be looking at the website and checking what you like about the website and what you don't like about the website. And then you're going to give the feedback to Perpection, and Perpection is going to give that feedback all the way back to L'Oreal, and L'Oreal is going to pay Perpection for the feedback, and Perpection is going to pay you for giving that feedback, and you get paid a lot of money. This is a lot of money. You can get paid even $100 or more per day, and it's easy to do. I mean, come on, we always go onto websites, but we don't really get paid for it. We just do it for fun. But here you can actually give feedback and get paid for it. So all you need to do is that you need to sign up, which is absolutely free. So you just want to click on become a tester. So when you click become a tester, it's going to give you the option to actually sign up. But because I have an account, it's not going to give me the sign up page. So basically to sign up is just easy, your name, your email address, and just fill in a couple of details that you need to do. So now what you need to do in order to get work is you want to click on missions. So over here, missions are going to be the missions that are available that you can do to actually make money. So when you're on missions, it's going to give you a couple of missions. For example, it says please choose a new mission. Then it's going to give you a couple of missions that are available. For example, we have here the desktop site IKEA. So when you brief the mission just wants you to basically, it says discover IKEA's website from your computer. Your feedback will help the IKEA's team improve the user experience they offer. So And what's important here is that the steps, which is first impression, product search, product information, order impression. So they want you to go onto the IKEA website. And so basically, no matter the website they actually give you, you just want to go onto that website. So I'm on the IKEA website and this is that. So you want to provide a screenshot to inform them that you've actually been on the website. So I've taken a screenshot, and over here I want you to see something. Quick reminders on our expectations. Please write complete sentences. These are very important. You need to write complete sentences, and the feedback must contain only one idea. Provide at least one feedback per step and report at least 2 problems. Mark one problem as important. So these are the reminders they want you to know of. And then when you're over here and you've gone to the IKEA website or whatever the website they've given you, you need to provide a screenshot of what you've taken concerning the website they've given you. So you want to upload a screenshot. And make sure that you've uploaded a screenshot. So once you've uploaded the screenshot, there are 2 options over here. This is a problem and this is a compliment. So based on the feedback you're going to be giving them, they need to identify whether it's a problem or it's a compliment. If you like the website, you want to click on this green side here, but if it's not a compliment, you want to click on this yellow side here, which means that whatever you're going to be writing at the bottom here is not going to be a compliment, but it's actually a problem. So they're aware of what exactly you're giving them feedback on, so that they actually classify the feedbacks based on these 2 icons over here. So they're going to classify every problem in the problem section and every compliment in the compliment section. So they need you to make sure that you actually click and identify whether it's a problem or a compliment. So over here is a problem, which is something I didn't like about the website. So you want to give a brief description of exactly what the problem is. The first 3 things I see on the homepage are cookies information, a shy display about sales happening now, and some cryptic question, probably about armchairs, but honestly I don't know. None of that is useful to me given I want to buy some furniture. So you just want to provide a quick feedback based on your problem or your compliment. Make sure the sentence is full and it makes sense to them. Then you want to come down over here and you want to click on go to the next step over here. So make sure that your feedback is actually a reasonable sized paragraph, which actually makes sense, and they can actually take it as a feedback and make sure that they can understand what they need to do to make it better. So over here, once you click next, you'll see that your feedback has been sent successfully. You can now create another one. So there are 4 steps that need to be validated, as you can see over here. Now you need to validate all the 4 steps, which is that steps validated, you need at least 4 times 4 feedback, 3 out of 2 problems, 1 out of 1 important. So make sure that this bar is full. This is very important. This green bar needs to be absolutely full. So that is what is very important about this, is that you need to make sure that this bar is full, just making sure that all the requirements are met. So at the end of the day, if you want to change anything, you can always do so. You can always change anything that you feel is needs to be changed. But if you're happy with your feedback, that's about it. And you want to go down to the bottom and click finish mission. So when you finish mission, then that's it. They're gonna pay you for every mission that you finished. So that is what I wanted to show you today. The website is pertain, as you can see over here. It's pertain, and it's absolutely free to do, and all you need to do is sign up. And yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys today. So it's amazing that you can actually get paid for just testing websites. Not even testing, you don't need skills, just giving feedback, which is pretty cool. And yeah, that's what I want to show you today. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this works for you. You can do this at home or in the car, wherever you are. Do it on your phone or your computer. Just make sure that you provide reasonable feedback, which they can actually take into consideration to actually make changes. Don't just type in anything because you need money, but type in something reasonable that they can actually make a change. With. It would be nice to actually one day go back to the website and see that, oh, they actually took my feedback and they changed this whole website because of what I said. That's actually very powerful. So that's what I want to show you today. You can make like $100 or $200 per day simply by doing this, because there are a lot of missions and a lot of websites reach out to Pertain for this. So thank you so much for watching. Just enjoy this website, and I'll keep you updated with more videos to help you make more money online. And turn on all post notifications. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching. Cheers.